Welcome to DriveVerse. Today, you're about to witness something no one expected from Toyota. Introducing the Toyota Unicorn 2026, an all-electric hyper SUV with the heart of a supercar and the soul of the future. Let's take a first-ever look at this wild, futuristic machine. The Toyota Unicorn is unlike anything the brand has ever built. It's a mix of Lamborghini Urus aggression, Tesla Cybertruck minimalism, and Japanese design precision. Up front, you'll see a massive V-shaped LED light bar, floating over an angular grille with adaptive aero flaps. The Toyota badge is illuminated, framed by sharp air ducts and a hood that screams performance. The side profile is pure spaceship, massive wheels, hidden door handles, and an active ride height system that lowers for speed or raises for terrain. The body is forged from carbon fiber reinforced aluminum, and the rear features a full-width 3D LED tail bar, quad diffuser fins, and an electrically adaptive spoiler. Step inside the future. The cabin of the Unicorn is a blend of luxury lounge and fighter jet. There's a panoramic smart roof, seats made of vegan Alcantara with holographic stitch lighting, and a dashboard that flows like sculpture. The center console is floating. The steering wheel is rectangular, and the infotainment system is fully gesture controlled. There's no start button. The car starts when you sit. It uses retina-scan ignition and has built-in AI mood detection that adjusts ambient lighting, seat temperature, and even music tone. And yes, you can reconfigure the interior layout with just a swipe, turning it from sport mode to lounge mode. The Unicorn is powered by a tri-motor electric setup producing 1,000 horsepower and 1,400 Newton-meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs ever built. The Unicorn uses Toyota's new solid-state battery technology, with a 110 kWh pack that gives you up to 680 kilometers, 422 miles, of range on a single charge. And with ultra-charged 400 kilowatts support, you get from 10% to 80% in under 10 minutes. This is where the Unicorn really earns its name. It has Toyota Guardian AI, an autopilot co-driver that learns your behavior. Full Level 4 autonomous mode allows for self-driving in cities and highways. There's an AI co-pilot assistant that can speak in natural language and manage your schedule, route, or car functions. The 3D dash display changes based on your mood and speed. It even has adaptive holographic rearview mirrors that follow your eyes. The Unicorn is loaded with 12 ultrasonic sensors, 5 lidar units, infrared night vision, predictive crash AI that tightens seat belts before a threat, a drone parking assistant that launches a micro-drone to help you park in tight spots. You don't drive the Unicorn, you command it. In track mode, the suspension lowers, steering tightens, and the exhaust synthesizer gives you a synthetic roar based on real V10 engine sounds. In Zen mode, everything quiets down, the cabin glows blue, music shifts to ambient, and suspension becomes cloud soft. The chassis is built on Toyota's ETNGA Plus performance platform, shared with none of their existing vehicles. The Toyota Unicorn 2026 isn't just a concept, it's a vision of where performance, tech, and imagination collide. Toyota didn't just build an SUV, they built a super EV that can outlook a Lamborghini, outsmart a Tesla, and still carry 5 people in comfort. This is what happens when Toyota dreams with no limits. And now, so can we.